Alright, y'all. Big Legs in the building. I'm gonna show y'all how to put a map sensor on. My map sensor went bad. Bought another one yesterday. Part came in today. Easy and simple. I'm putting it on the O2 Honda Accord EX V6. It's my baby right here. It's my Hellcat. So well, it just depends where your sensor's located. Mine's located right here. Some is right here. So mine's up here, luckily. I ain't gotta do too much to get to it. So just show y'all this was hooked up and I just unhooked the thing. Get that out the way. And y'all, honestly, I looked it up how to do it. I looked it up. Stay back. Dang. Hey. This is bad, y'all. Real bad. So all I'm gonna do, what this does, it helps your car, it helps it switch out smoothly. And mine hasn't been switching out too good. And I went to go get a little test ran on it, and it said that this little thing is bad. So I'm gonna put it on. It came with this, I guess it came with one, but I really don't need it. So I'm gonna just put this on here, my screws, and I'm just set the phone up so y'all can see me screw them on. Alright, so out with the old and with the new. And screws. These screws are big. What they was. Okay. Not hard. Okay. What is that one? Plug it back up. Gotta hear click. That's it. Finished product. That looks so much better. And just like that, that's how you change your map sensor.